I want to skip the introduction of how to get to Osaka from Kyoto. The taking subway for going to Harukasu 300 is an elevator that goes up to the famous Harukasu 300. Operating hours are from the 9 a.m. to the 10 p.m. every day. The last admission is at 9:30 p.m. Admission fee is 1,500 yen. You can get a 10% discount on Osaka Amazing Pass. The helicopter landing range observatory must add 500 yen. A lot of people were waiting. The night view of Japan, which is still calm but still has many cars moving, is really great. No info how to go there. No info about any option. No info how to use the QR code. No info how to enjoy helicopter photo zone.